Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is my new recipe, veg pulao. I have cut in some veggies. I have taken one onion, I have sliced it, half capsicum, 6 to 5 green chilies, half carrot and one potato. Take oil 3 to 4 tablespoons, add whole spices to it, add the onion which you have cut in. Cook the onion till it became transparent, means white in color. Stir it well. And at this point, add all the veggies which you have cut in before. You can take any vegetables which is your favorite. This is my favorite, that's why I have taken this vegetables. Make sure that you cooked all the vegetables well, very well. Stir it well. And now add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, means whole spices powder. Add some salt according to your taste. Without green peas, my veg pulao is incomplete, so I have taken some. This is my frozen one, that's why I have taken it lastly. Add 2 glasses of water to it. I have taken 1 glass of rice, that's why I'm taking 2 glasses of water. Add your rice. Cover it and cook it well. Your veg pulao is now ready to serve. You can see the rice has cooked so well. It's so nice and it's so yummy. You must try it. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more such recipes. Allah Hafiz everyone.